How light acts as a wave and a particle. Reflections of light. Reflections is the bounding of a wave as it moves from one medium to other, caused by difference and density between the two substances. This phenomenon is commonly observed in light but also occurs with sound waves and water waves. Reflections enable the functioning of optical instruments like mag- magnifying glasses, lens, and frames, allowing us to focus light onto our retina. The causes of refractions include a change in speed resulting in a change in the directions when a light ray enters a medium with a different refractions index for intense. When light when light transitions from air to water, its speed decrease, leading to the change in direction. Refractions in materials like glass show, show that light slow down and slightly change direction when moving from air to denser medium. The, the angle of a refractions depends on the density of the substance involved with light bounding more towards the normal lens in a thinner material. The law of refractions dic- dictate that the incident ray, ray, and the normal to the insert face of two media at the point of incidence all lie in the same plane. Additionally, Snell's law and reflection states that the the ratio of the sense of an eagle of incidence to the sense of the eagle of a reflections is constant, providing a mathematical relationship between for how light bends when passing through different mediums. These laws govern the behavior of light as it undergoes refractions, guiding its path and direction when transitions between materials of varying densities. Reflection of light in real life. Reflection of light in real life, sensor, sense, sensorious leads to optical illusions like light mirage and looming. For instance, a swimming pool appears shallower that is a due to light bonding in the surface. The formations of rainbow and another example of reflections when sunlight bends through raindrops, creating a colorful arc. When white lights pass that through a firm's, it is split into its component colors due to reflection, displaying as a spectrum to red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet. Applications of light reflections are widespread in optics and technology. Lenses utilize reflections to form image, aiding and magnificent and various optical purpose spectacles for currently vision. Defe- Defeats also rely on the principles of reflections. Another application include people's indoors cameras, movie projectors, and telescopes, where reflection plays a crucial role in image formation and visualizations. In the realm of physics, the photons are the smallest units of electromagnetic radiations constitutions to the basic building block of light. Photons are perpetually in the motion traveling at the constant speed of 2.998 times 108 miles in a vacuum known as the speed of light. According to Einstein, according to Einstein's light quantum theory, photons possess energy for, proportional to their oscillation frequency multiplied by Planck's constant. Einstein's theory of indicated that light constants of stream of photons with their energy corresponding a frequency and intensity correlating with the number of photons. These concepts explain how photons exhibit both wave light and particles like behavior, bridging, and the gap between wave particle duality and light. Photons and the fundamental particles of light possess several key properties. They have zero mass and rest energy, existing slowly as moving particles. Despite looking rest mass, they are elementary particles with the electric charge. Photons photons are stable and are spin one particles, classifying them as bosons. The carry energy and the momentum dependent of their frequency interaction with the other particles like electrons and the uh, constant effect are possible. They can be created or destroyed through natural processes such as radiation, absorption, absorption of emissions. In empty space, photons travel at the speed of light. The term photon was coined by Gilbert Lewis in 1926, although the concept of light behaving as discrete particles dates ba- back on theories, the wave, the wave properties of light demanding scientific understanding and in the 1900s, ay, 1800s, leading leading to the rejection of the particles theory. Albert Einstein's explanations of the photoelectric effect reintroduced reintroduced the particles theory of light, highlighting the quantitative nature of light energy. The wave particle du- duality of light is a remarkable phenomenon where light exhibits characteristics of both wave and particles simultaneously. Photons are particles passes with wave-like properties such as frequency and wavelength, bending aspect of wave mechanics with par- particles behavior. In 2016, Polish physicists created the first hologram of the single light particle, offering an insight into the shape of a photon by utilizing a beam splitter and detectors by visualize the photon's wave function resembling a Mil- Milt's cross predicted by Schrödinger's equations. This groundbreaking, this groundbreaking experiments provided a tang- tangible representation of the elusive photons instructions, showcasing the intricate nature of light particles. Photons are fundamental particles that make up not only lights but also electronic energy, including microwaves, radio waves, and X-rays. Albert Einstein developed the concept of the photons with the term coined by scientific Gilbert N. Lewis. The wave particles duality theory explained that light behaves as both as both a wave and particles Simultaneously, photons are electronically neutral and do not decay on their own. In photographic darkrooms and light and the use of prevent un- overexposure of light sensitive photo- photographer paper during the developing process, red light slow frequency and energy per, per photons make it make it like make it safer for photon photosensitive materials. UV lights with shorter wavelength than visible light contains more energy, leading to sunburns due to its higher energy level. Light exhibits both both of the particles per- properties known as wave particles agility, despite the appearance contradictions. Experiments and quantum mechanics confirm this dual natural electromagnetic wave, as classified by wavelight with UV wave having shorter wavelength and higher energy compared to visible light waves. This distinctions is energy level explains why UV light can cause sunburns more easily than visible light.